Hi everybody. So I'm putting together this product review for a pair of trekking poles I just purchased off Amazon. And like most of the time when I purchase anything offline through Amazon, I'm a little bit nervous about what I'm actually going to get, particularly if it's a very cheap purchase. So I just wanted to throw this out there for anybody that was looking for trekking poles and wanted a little bit of a out of the box first impressions review of the trekking poles that I got. So I got the Montem, I believe I'm pronouncing that right, Montem trekking poles, and I'll put a link down below this video. But there's a couple things I was looking for when I went to get these trekking poles. Number one, a cork handle, and not a full cork handle, but a good portion of it, so that, and at the end of it could be some kind of more durable product that I could use as a tent pole, because I'm planning on using these as part of my my tent. And the fast clip fasteners on the poles at the bottom, not the screw type, but the quick release I don't know what they're called. Sorry, that's a little English. You wanted to be a part of the show today. There you go. So that's what I was looking for, and I was looking to spend less than $60. And looking around at the different products, I could. I became very clear that that the price of the poles can range hugely, and that they really can be all over the place. And what I was looking for in particular, I couldn't find for anything less than $60, $70. Certainly not at Dick's or another of the big box stores that had trekking poles in their site or in their store. So I was looking at those things. So the other day, a box came in the mail, and bam, bam, here it comes. So this is what came in the mail, and this is what showed up. So here they go. They came with like a little bit of a sleeve on top of the handles here, and that's the name of them. Montem. All right. So first of all, first impressions is that these are awesome trekking poles. They were $39.99, and sorry, $39.99, and I couldn't believe really what came. So right out of the gate, it looks like it's really just a good product. And so first of all, the handle, it is a real cork handle. You know, I never knew whether or not this would actually be some kind of cork byproduct or whatever. So you know, it feels and looks great. It's really a perfect design. It looks really good. So it's just like it looks on Amazon. The end is really a tough rubber hardened composite, and a nice strap with a nice little felt lining in that. So it's really very nice. I really had no idea what the end of this is really for. Obviously, it's part of the handle here, but I'm suspecting that when it gets nasty out and things get really wet and snowy or whatever, this is just another way of getting your grip on this. It's a hard foam. It's definitely not soft, but it's definitely nice and grippable. And if anything, maybe it's to wipe off some of the stuff and then get your hand back onto the handle here. The fasteners down here, these look really solid. I really like what they look like, and you know, playing around with them a little bit, they open up easily, allows the pole to extend pretty nicely, and clips pretty securely. It looks like this is solid, strong, thick plastic that's not going to just break the first couple 100 miles of taking these down the trail. So this is all great. These came with these little foots that head onto the edge of the tip here. The tip looks great. It looks exactly as it should. Nothing's loose. Everything's firm and solid. And so it comes along with these little end caps, which you could use that as your trekking, or you can take it off. And then it also comes along with this little muck cup. I'll take this tip off. And you can use this on it as well. These actually screw on, so it's very secure. So I'm not gonna take that off, but you can take my word for it. It screws it on and off. So that's my trekking pole. I'm pretty psyched. I'll have to do a follow up. I have to do a follow up on this to let you know how I'm feeling about it, whether I got a good deal or somewhere down the line here I'm not seeing something that's gonna fall apart on me, and let you know. But for $39.99, this is an extraordinary deal. I think I got to, this is definitely was everything I was hoping for and then some. And I'm looking forward to seeing how they hold up over time. So we'll have to do a follow up, but I definitely highly recommend these guys right here. Great trekking pole. So happy trails, everybody. Take care.